pose, end up with your right side to the audience on the left leg. Bend your knee, take a side step away from the lady, going into the opening. From that point, lead the lady into the clockwise rotation in front of you, left hand goes down and to the left, shift your weight to the left leg, back to the right leg, connect your feet, getting back into the frame. To end this figure, rotate clockwise, taking 4 steps, start with the right leg, and right, left, right, left, end up in front of the man, facing him, back in the frame. Remember that you can pause, rewind and practice, we're going to count. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.